Right, going up by the ice here, really quite good, and continuing up onto the snow, and I'll try the drone and follow me mode and see how it goes. Okay. So I'll place it down there.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so it's on the follow. Okay, hopefully it's working this time. It seems to be. Seems to be working. Quite thin, the ice. Woo, water coming out. Bloody hell. A bit in that. Yeah, there was a lot of water running down. It's a bit thin here. Get a good axe fix in. Woo! That was fun. Yeah, so I'm going to get this back again. I'm going to have to go down. Follow me. Good. Okay, it's following me. Going to some easier ground here so we can hand catch it. because the slope's really high behind it, you know, it doesn't want to go down. It's actually not that far off the surface, which is good, hopefully. But easier ground here. Gonna try and hand catch it here. So it should start to come in now. Hopefully come in. Right, I might have to go up and get underneath it. Okay. Right, thank you, you've landed. Good. Okay, so that's a little demo. So I'm just going to switch it off and
Droney, 10 meters. Droney, 3. Unable to take off. Make sure aircraft is level. Circle. Rocket. Spotlight. Direction track. Follow. Droney.
right, I'll do a drone here.
Circle. Rocket. Spotlight. Direction track. Follow. Droney. 10 meters. Droney. 3.
Right,
2.
see if this works.
1.
So it's got me. Yeah. Good. So give an idea where I am. So it's all without the controller. The controller's actually still connected, but I'm not controlling it. It's just in case I've got any problems, it's connected to my phone, and that's it coming in now. So okay, so I have to try and get it to land. Got a little ledge here to stand on. Okay. Right, come on. Can you land? Right, land. Right, land. Okay, so that's it, landed, and I haven't dropped it. Quite nerve-wracking though. It's quite an icy slope I'm on here. So that seems to have worked quite well. Okay, so that's it switched off. I've got this neat little case that goes in my pocket. Absolutely amazing. It's tiny. So takes up no space at all. So that's the drone in there, just the same size as the drone, and I can put it in my pocket here.